Welcome to the Adventures of Cub Flip Flops.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Thorpe from the Adventures of Cub Flip Flops.
And what day is it today?
Hyperia opening day.
Yay! So what's the date today?
The 11th.
The 11th of June. 12th of June. It's the 12th of June. It's Hyperia's second opening day.
Reopening day.
Reopening day. And we happen to be here by accident.
Yeah.
Well, we planned to be here anyway, but it's just good luck for us that Hyperia are opening today. So we're just going to take you down that area and show you around a little bit and see what's what today. So we ready?
Yeah.
Lead the way. No. Yeah? Oh, bye. Here we are, we made it in the area. Comes by the test seat. Let's put it down. This is as close as Cub will get to going on. Cheese! Now at Hyperia, we are on 80 minutes. Cuckoo's very happy, fluffy. It is afternoon time. I don't know what it was like in the morning.
Attention to all those in Fearless Valley. For the safety of those in the area, cameras and mobile phones are strictly forbidden whilst riding Hyperia.
I don't know what the
Loose items in a
like.
safe pocket will place in the street area on the far side of the main station. Failure to follow these instructions may result
Hey,
in
oh, that is going on.
Thank you for your cooperation.
So we've just come down to this is the exit queue, isn't it, Coco? Because Coco wants to see the splashdown, which is just here. We'll show you in a moment. We are literally just underneath the lift hill. So I will show you in a minute. We're coming down. Quite excited to see this. You can't really see it from anywhere else. Look at him fluffing away. There we go. Was that good, Coco? Coco, did you enjoy the splashdown? Was it good? I think he was here all day long, wouldn't you? Hey? Everybody seems really excited when they're coming on. these are new. Hyperia little backpacks with the wings. Do they come on? They're pretty cute. £25. Mugs. Oh, we've got the different suede hats. Cook's got the other one, so that one there. Most of them. On the little bears, I don't think I've seen these last time.
Oh yeah, I saw that as well.
How much them ones are there? I don't think there's a price on them ones. All the water bottles. Strap bags, so you buy the different straps. Jumpers. Takes you around here, try to go where the crowds are. Pin badges. Do get these in a few different colours. Little crop jumper, £50. Black pin bag. Get one I'll show you. Them ones are nice, I like the black one. All the pin badges are £8. Two-tone hoodie. It's just plain on the back. That is £55. Pink section, we've got the pink wings. And the pink or purple crop jumper, £50. Two-tone hoodie. Okay. And t-shirts. I think, yeah, they're plain on the back. They haven't got any hat like club stuff. No, denim jackets. £70. You can get your wings to go on the back. The backs are plain. There's some more patches to sew on the back. And I think that's about it. Oh, and the magnets, which are £6. Different kinds. I've also got this yellow t-shirt, £28 for that one, and £28 for that one. Oh, didn't see these last time. Pub likes these. The metal plates. They're £25. Got more pin badges and key rings down there. I think that is everything. This is Hyperia. New Hyperia shop. Right, we're going to wrap the Hyperia vlog up. Oh, see these hats? They don't have them in the shop anymore. No. I've just shown the other ones, but couldn't see any of them. So we're going to wrap this up now. This is second opening day of Hyperia, hopefully the